to Han
and Mom Vlog! We are going to show you on what we bought online.
What she bought online. She bought a lot of things.
Yes, some beauty products which we are going to try. But for the moment, we are going to show you all the things that we bought online.
Let me show you the products that she bought online. It's too much for me.
So this is the first product.
Okay.
So here it is.
Beauty vlogger. Oh my god, I read something. It's gold caviar. Fancy.
Oh my god, it's so huge.
Yeah.
Look. So guys, this is a gold collagen 24K. It's a deep cleansing peel-off mask, removes dulling surface cells and impurities, while vitamins and plant extracts soften the skin to restore a youthful glow. So we decided to buy this one. Maybe we'll become more prettier.
Okay, this particular product, I was so shocked when I saw it that she bought it. When I saw this on Facebook being advertised, I thought it's too expensive to buy. So,
But I was lucky enough that when I opened the page, they sell it for buy one, take one, and the price is a little bit, it's almost 50% off.
oh.
So, here it is. 2 boxes, guys.
Wow.
Right? It's worth it. Okay, let's take one ampule. You need to cut this off. And when you are going to use it, you need to connect this silicone on top of it so it's easy for you to apply on your skin. Look.
Okay.
Let's open this, guys, because we cannot properly see what's inside, but I'm sure this is the bubble that will remove the unwanted hairs. So and there is also a little bit of gift. I think this is freebie. Okay, let's see.
So this is the box, guys. This is called the Mefapo Hair Enemy Bubble. This is for hair removal. Okay.
Here how it looks inside. It's like a spray, but when it comes out, yes, it's a bubble. So guys, it's a good buy really. There are 2 in 1 price with the freebie. Look. Thank you. We already unboxed this one because we were so excited to see what's inside. Hope it's not a scam, but we're so happy that it's really what we bought. This is an ice roller, which is good for the healthy skin. Instead of taking some ice from the fridge and just rub it in your skin, you can use this one. Put it inside. This is how it looks. Look. It's like a jumbo.
So this is how it looks, and it contains like a gel balls inside. Can you see that, guys? That's so cute. Mura siya kanang baligya sa kuan sa kanang
Ice pop.
Elementary
Yo,
ka
ice pop.
Dili ka lang patubuon nimo sa tubig nimo, dako siya.
Wala ko balo na.
Eyebrow trimmer.
If you want to trim your eyebrow, this is what you're gonna use. We bought it the same on the Facebook page online. Look. And at a very affordable price. Again, it's a promo price. I think it's 20 or...
It's on sale?
Yes, it's on sale. And it's around more than 20% discount. So it's a good price, right? I will show you. Oh my God, with the battery.
Proud kayo siya sa iyang mga napalit.
So here we go. It's like a lipstick, but it's not.
You know? Slide switch on. Slide switch on. Oh, tapos
Iusa daw. Ang tuwa.
oh my God, guys, look at that.
Oh my God. It really sucks. Look. Oh my golly.
But it's not removing the hair.
Hindi man madlo po kung mag-init.
I want to try this, the tip of it, to remove the hair in my hand. But it's not doing it.
So I don't know if it really works or not.
So it's not doing it.
It's
So
not
I,
really very effective.
yeah.
But let's
But
see.
we'll try to figure it out. Maybe we've done something wrong with the product.
So that's all for tonight, and thank you for sharing your time with us, and I hope next time we will gonna show you also the review and the application of all these items.
So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to do something or review something, please don't hesitate to comment down below.
Right.